Hello, good morning, everyone, and welcome to this morning's webinar session. First off, excuse me. First off, just need to say sincere apologies for last night. Last night I had an internet blackout here in Rwanda, so I just couldn't get online last night. It was a blackout at the wrong time, so I couldn't get online, couldn't trade, and of course couldn't do the webinar, even send out an email. But thankfully, we're back online to this morning, and fingers crossed. I hope that was a one-off. Otherwise, it's going to be a rough 2 weeks. Anyway, so apologies for last night. I hope you all stuck to your plan somehow last night. But going on to today, let's look at what today has in store for us. So as usual, we start off with the economic calendar. I'll just bring the calendar up. So again, the main market we're looking at is the Euro-US dollar. So we'll be looking for reports of high or medium importance that could affect the Euro or the US dollar. Again, make sure you use the correct time zone for the economic calendar. Rwanda is actually GMT plus 2, but let me just use GMT plus 1. So these are all GMT plus 1 times. So make sure you're checking the correct time for your time zone. So today, Thursday, the 22nd of February, we can see the first report of high importance due out today is at 10:30. That's the UK GDP report. Again, the GDP report is a report of enormous importance, and again, being out of UK, the financial capital of the world, that could affect other markets too. To have a severe impact on the FTSE or the UK stock market and currencies paired with the pound directly. But of course, it could affect other markets indirectly because it's the UK and it's the GDP report. So we need to watch out for that one. And then at 1:30, we have the European Central Bank publishing the account of their policy meeting in last month, end of January. So again, just like the US policy meeting minutes from last night, this one for SCB2 is a report of extremely high importance at 1:30. Okay, and I think that's it. So we've got 2 reports of high importance today. Ideally, you want to wait till the last report of high importance before you trade. And the last report of high importance today is at 1:30. But because of this equally a very important report, the UK GDP report, and then the possibility of the market moving at 10:30 when that report is announced, we'll first have an attempt at the market at 10:30. So we'll have our first attempt at 10:30, and then if we lose out on that attempt at 10:30, we'll stop trading and then have another attempt at 1:30. But we'll definitely keep out of the markets. We will not place any pending orders. We'll leave the markets alone till at least 10:30. So once this session is over, I'll send out a webinar invitation for us to meet 10 minutes before this first report. So we'll meet at 10:20 GMT plus 1. We'll meet 10 minutes before that report is due out to get ready and then reassess the market then and place our orders then. But for now, we will not place any day trade orders. So let's go to the chart. So we can see the chart. So we can see where the market went up when the US FOMC report was announced, and soon afterwards it fell and then continued to fall. And I can see where it's then formed the low point there, and it's just more or less been trending sideways since then. Let me just put our marker to demarcate the sideways trend. So there we are. So the market is currently trending sideways along there. But you can see the pivot point is outside the sideways trend. The first support is outside the sideways trend. So those could be our potential points of entry come 10:30. But like I say, at the moment, we will not place any pending day trade orders. We'll just leave the market alone. I will reassess 10 minutes before the report. And like I said, I'll send out the webinar invitations after this session. Do check your spam emails in case it goes to your spam, and we'll meet then. For the day trade, go to the daily time frame. For the swing trading, not the day trade. For the swing trading, we'll go to the daily time frame. Again, we'll just see where the moving average 50 is for today. So we'll put our cursor over today's candlestick. We can see the date in the box there at the top of the box. That's today, 22nd of February. And the moving average is 1.2238. That's the moving average for today. So I'll be selling 2 pips below that at 1.2236. 2236. I'll just adjust my pending sell order. Oh gosh. I've been locked out. Do adjust your pending sell order for the swing trade to 1.2236. Let me see if I can just log back in. While I'm doing that, if there are any questions, do click the hand button or send your questions or comments through the question box. So I'll just amend that to 2236. Of course, the stop loss always remains at 100 points away, so I don't need to alter that. So I just have to alter my entry point at 1.2236 and submit. And like I said, I'll just be doing that every morning till the market gets there. Okay, so that's for the swing trade. So that's the swing trade. Potentially selling 2 pips below the moving average 50. So that's done. So I'll just ignore the swing trade again till tomorrow morning. Let's go back to the 5-minute time frame. So that's the day trade. So like I said, we're not going to do anything regarding the day trade. We're just going to wait and reassess the market again 10 minutes before the report is due out. And fingers crossed. I hope I don't have internet issues. Okay, any questions? If you have any questions, comments, do click